Welcome! Today I'm with Sony headphones and Apple Watch, and I will show you how we can connect these two devices. So at the first, we have to turn on our headphones by clicking and holding power button for a few seconds. When we get the voice notification that they are turned on, we have to grab our Apple Watch, move to the settings, scroll down and find Bluetooth settings, then take a look on the available devices. There we get our Sony headphones, so we have to tap here. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are connected. So, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.